Good morning, students. Welcome back to chemistry classroom once again. I hope all of you watched the last video. Today I'll start from this portion. Air is a mixture. Air is not a single gas, but a mixture of gases. So air is not a single gas. It is a mixture of different gases. The important components of air are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Of these, oxygen and nitrogen are elements and carbon dioxide and water vapor are compounds. They are all colorless gases, so air is invisible. They have no smell either. So basically, the main properties of air is it is not a single gas. It consists of different many gases. Among them, oxygen and nitrogen are elements. Same way, carbon dioxide and water vapor are compounds. They are colorless. That's why we can't see the air in open eyes, but we can feel it. Same way, air have no smell. Next, the composition of air. Amount 78.1% by volume of air is nitrogen. So the volume of nitrogen is 78.1%. 21% is oxygen, and the rest, nearly about 0.9%, is a carbon dioxide, water vapor, and some other gases. Besides, some soot and dust are also present. So student, here is a chart and you should learn the chart very carefully by the volume percentage. So nitrogen, that is 78.1%, oxygen 21%, and carbon dioxide, water vapor, and other gases, that is 0.9%. Next, determining the components of air. Let us see how we can determine that air contains oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Oxygen. Oxygen is a very active element. It reacts with many substances. It takes part in burning too. So things burn in air due to the oxygen present in it. Hence, a thing burns in pure oxygen much faster than in air. So, underline this portion. Oxygen basically help to combustion. मतलब कुछ चीज को जलाने में oxygen help करता है. If the oxygen is pure, then the burning process much faster than in air. Burning is also called combustion. इसके लिए दाग लगाना. The burning process is also known as combustion, and a substance that burns is known as combustible substance. So, a substance which burn, that is known as combustible substance, and a substance in the presence of which burning takes place is known as supporter of combustion, and which substances actually help to combustion process, these are known as supporter of combustion. So here is three definition. That is combustion. Burning process is also known as combustion, and which substance easily burn in air, that is combustible substance, and which substances also help to combustion process, these are known as supporter of combustion. Through oxygen is non-combustible, it is a supporter of combustion. So oxygen is not a combustible substance, it is a supporter of combustible substance. मतलब कुछ चीज को जलाने में ऑक्सीजन की जरूरत है. The substances that burn in oxygen burn in air too, forming the same products. मतलब ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंट में कुछ चीज को अगर जलाएंगे, which new substances is formed, then same way जब हम वही चीज को एयर में जलाएंगे तो सेम प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, when ignited carbon burn in oxygen as well as in air to form a same substances, carbon dioxide. तो सेम वही जब कार्बन को हम लोग नॉर्मली एयर में और दूसरी चीज पे अगर प्योर ऑक्सीजन के अंदर जलाएंगे तो नॉर्मली जो सेम प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म होता है, दैट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हाइड्रोजन टू, when it burn in oxygen as well as in air forming water, thus air containing oxygen. तो इसका मतलब क्या है, एयर के अंदर ऑक्सीजन है. फर्स्ट वन, एक्टिविटी 1. Invert a glass cover a burning candle with burn for a few short while. This is because the amount of air and so of oxygen in the glass is limited. The burning stops as soon as the oxygen consumed. मतलब अगर नॉर्मली हम लोग कोई कैंडल जला के खुला छोड़ देंगे वो नॉर्मली जलता है. अगर उसी के ऊपर कोई कंटेनर हम लोग ऐसे ढक देंगे, जैसे यहाँ पे कोई ग्लास जार से इसको ढक दिया गया है, तो जब लिमिटेड ऑक्सीजन ग्लास जार के अंदर मौजूद है तब तक ये कैंडल जलेगा. जब ऑक्सीजन खत्म हो जाता है नॉर्मली कैंडल बुझ जाता है. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? ऑक्सीजन ऑल्सो इज अ सपोर्टर ऑफ कॉम्बसन. Repeat the activity with glasses of different size. The bigger the glass, the longer will be candle burn because the larger will be amount of oxygen available for burning. तो अगर कंटेनर को हम आकार के हिसाब से बढ़ाएंगे, नॉर्मली जितना ज्यादा ऑक्सीजन होगा जितना देर तक ये कैंडल जलता रहेगा. Open the lid of a plastic jar. Make holes in the jar and invert it over a burning candle. The candle will continue to burn till the end. This is because it continues to get oxygen through the holes. So normally अगर हम लोग ये ग्लास जार के हिसाब से अगर प्लास्टिक ढक देंगे और प्लास्टिक में थोड़ा होल बना देंगे और थ्रू होल जब एयर प्लास्टिक कंटेनर के अंदर घुस रहा है तब तक ये नॉर्मली कैंडल एंड तक जलेगा. इसका मतलब एयर से नॉर्मली ऑक्सीजन घुस रहा है कंटेनर के अंदर और वो जलने में हेल्प कर रहा है. द एक्टिविटी यू हैव डन tells you that you can put out a fire by cutting off supply of oxygen. That is why when a person clothes catches fire, he or she is wrapped in a thick sheet. इसी कारण अगर कुछ मतलब कपड़े में आग लग जाता है तो उसके ऊपर कोई मोटा चीज से कपड़े को ढक देना चाहिए, मतलब ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई नहीं होना चाहिए. You may have learned that oxygen is released into the atmosphere during photosynthesis. So scientists believe that there was no oxygen in the atmosphere when there was no plant life on Earth. So as because green plant release oxygen in the atmosphere through photosynthesis process, if there is no plant, same way the level of oxygen will be decreased day by day. So student, I hope all of you understood what I've discussed today. So for today, up to this portion.